Okay, Jason, here's a bit of a rundown of the hydraulic control for the Fert Spreader. So this is the complete system. So we've got a battery, and from there we've got a power unit. The power goes into the power unit, and then from there we've got the data cable that goes to the screen. So all this sits in the cab. In the cab we've got the manual hold switch for headland control, and in the cab then we've got the connection for the proximity sensor that goes out to the wheel of the tractor, and then we come to this plug that'll interconnect the tractor with the spreader. So go down this loom here, and then we've got one control that'll go out to the hydraulic PWM valve. So in this case we've just replaced it with an electric motor, and the other end of that cable is the feedback on the shaft sensor. So that's this guy here. So all we've done here is essentially, this would be a hydraulic drive simulation, then we go through a gearbox, and then we couple the shaft sensor to the last output shaft of your Fert Spreader. So just to show you, if I trigger the speed sensor, you'll see the screen starts up, and bin 1, see the power increases, and that's it tracking there. And to calibrate it, all you do is you press bin 1 and then this here, and then if you push this one here, it will start forcing the motor to do the 10 turns. So what I'll do here is I'll mark the shaft here. I can't quite see that. I'll mark it here. So this mark here, when we calibrate, we expect that to rotate 10 times. So that's the output shaft of the spreader. So it'll end up back at that mark. So if we push this, now you'll see that we're expecting this mark here should come right back up here on the 10th turn. So this is a 164 pulses per rotation, and the screen has been set up for a gearbox of 16.4 to 1 ratio, and the pulses on the motor are 10 RPM, so it equals to be 164 up there too. And you can see that marks come right back up here again, so it all calibrates up. So over to you now, Jason. We'll send this up tomorrow and all ready for a fit up.